All right, let's talk automation. If you're building anything online, you've definitely hit that point where you're trying to get all your different apps and services to talk to each other, and it's a nightmare. That's where these tools come in. But it brings up the one big question. n8n, Zapier, or Make? It feels like a battle of the titans. And today, we're going to figure out which one is right for you.
So let's just get right to it. This is the question, right? The one everyone is trying to answer. Which one of these is actually the best? It's what we all want to know. But what if I told you that's kind of the wrong way to think about it?
Because here's the secret. Choosing the right automation tool has less to do with the tool and everything to do with you. Yeah, you. Are you a developer who needs to get into the weeds and have total control? Or maybe a marketer who's all about launching the next big AI campaign? Or are you an ops manager who's just obsessed with keeping costs predictable? The best tool? Well, it completely changes depending on who's asking the question.
So here's our game plan. First, we're going to meet the contenders. Then, we'll put ourselves in the shoes of 3 different people, a developer, a marketer, and an ops pro, and see which tool they choose. And then, we'll wrap it all up with a final verdict to help you find your tool. Let's get into it.
Okay, first up, let's get a feel for what each of these platforms is all about. Because sure, they all connect apps, but they go about it with totally different philosophies. And honestly, they're built for very different types of people.
Let's kick things off with n8n. Think of n8n as the open source powerhouse. It is all about flexibility and control. The big deal here is that it's open source, it has these super powerful code nodes for JavaScript and Python, and, this is a big one, you can host it yourself. That gives you maximum control of your data. And its pricing is based on executions, which, as we'll see, is a total game changer.
Next up, the undisputed king of integrations, Zapier. Seriously, if an app exists, chances are Zapier connects to it. Its whole reputation is built on being incredibly easy to use with these simple workflows they call Zaps. Now, it is a cloud-only platform. It's priced per task, remember that word, and all its powerful new AI stuff, those are paid add-ons, which is a super important detail.
And finally, there's Make. Many of you might remember it by its old name, Integromat. Make's superpower is its visual builder. It's like this giant canvas where you can literally see your whole workflow play out, which is fantastic for really complex logic. It's a cloud tool, but it does have some on-premise options, and its AI features are more baked into the core product.
All right, let's jump into our first persona. So you're a developer. Code doesn't scare you. In fact, you want to write more of it. You need to hit custom APIs, and most of all, you need to control where your data lives for things like compliance or security. So for a developer, it all comes down to this. Which platform doesn't just let you use code, but actually embraces it? Which one gives you the freedom to host it yourself and really bend it to your will?
When you look at the features side by side, n8n just pulls way ahead here. Yeah, Zapier has code nodes, but look at that X for Make. Custom code is locked away in their highest enterprise plan. But the real knockout punch is self-hosting. n8n is literally the only one in the game that lets you do it.
So for our developer, this is an easy one. If your #1 priority is writing custom code, managing your own infrastructure, and having that ultimate flexibility, n8n was basically built for you. It's the clear winner.
Okay, let's switch hats. Now you're a marketer. You're trying to keep up with the age of AI. You want to build chatbots. You want to generate content. You want to create little interfaces for your team. And you want to do it all without having to file a ticket with the dev team. You need speed and powerful, ready-to-go AI tools. For marketers, the big question in 2025 is all about AI agents and what you can build with them. So which of these platforms gives you the best out-of-the-box tools to create that next-gen marketing automation?
And this is where their philosophies on AI really diverge. Zapier has gone all in with this incredible suite of tools. Interfaces, chatbots, agents, they're super powerful, but they're all priced as separate add-ons. On the flip side, Make and n8n have integrated AI more into the core platform. Make has built-in AI agents, while n8n gives you these incredibly flexible building blocks like its LLM nodes to build your own custom agents.
So the verdict here really comes with a choice. If you want a whole ecosystem of polished, ready-to-use AI tools like chatbots, and you've got the budget for those add-ons, Zapier is calling your name. If you prefer AI features to be part of your core plan and love a visual builder, Make is a fantastic contender. Either way, you've just got to be aware of those potential extra costs.
And now for our last persona, the operations professional. You live and breathe efficiency, spreadsheets, and predictable costs. You're running thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of automations every month, and the last thing you need is a surprise bill. For an Ops Pro, the biggest fear is getting an invoice that's double what you budgeted for. So how do you make sense of these wildly different pricing models and pick the one that won't absolutely wreck your budget when you scale up?
Okay, let's break this down, because this is probably the most important part for controlling costs. With n8n, you pay per execution. That means an entire workflow run costs the same whether it has 3 steps or 30. One run is one execution. With Zapier, you pay per task, so each of those 30 steps gets billed. And Make uses credits, which are pretty similar to tasks. Each action chews up some credits. This difference is everything.
This right here is the perfect rule of thumb. If you have a single, really complex workflow with a bunch of logic and steps, it might only cost you one execution in n8n, but that same run could burn through 20 or 30 tasks in Zapier. When you scale that up, we're talking about a difference of thousands of dollars. On the other hand, if you just have tons of simple, two-step automations, the task-based models can be a bit easier to predict.
So for the Ops Pro, the choice really depends on the shape of your workflows. If your business logic is complicated with a lot of steps every time it runs, n8n is your pick for cost efficiency, hands down. But if you're running a massive volume of simpler automations, Make's credit system is actually really competitive and a great choice.
Okay, deep breath. We've met the players. We've walked in the shoes of a developer, a marketer, and an Ops Pro. Now let's bring it all home and give you a super simple framework for making that final call.
And here it is, the whole thing on one slide. The developer, who needs control and self-hosting, is going with n8n. The marketer, who wants those ready-made AI tools, is going to be looking at Zapier or Make. And the Ops Pro, who's managing costs at scale, is choosing between n8n for complex workflows and Make for high-volume ones.
Let's make it even simpler. If that first statement sounds like you, your answer is n8n. If the second one is you, you're evaluating Zapier and Make. And if that third one is your world, you've got a clear choice between n8n and Make based on what your workflows look like. See? It all comes back to who you are.
And that's a wrap. But I'll leave you with this final thought. As you're making your choice, ask yourself, is this tool built on a flexible foundation that can grow with the AI revolution? Or is it just bolting on today's trendy features? The answer to that question might just decide who the real winner is tomorrow.